What's going on, guys? This is Trades by Dom. It is Monday, June 24th. We are here in the Apex accounts. We have some back. Apologies, I've been MIA as far as the recap videos go. Schedule's been a little crazy for me, so I haven't really had the opportunity to actually knock these out. But as you can see, we are in our funded account. This is a 250K that I passed the other day. Ended up having my second biggest day, 9,000, which is what put me over. So this is my second day trading this account. First day I went up 800, and then today down 3,700, but not horrible because we still have 2,600 left as far as drawdown goes, so still pretty comfortable. Just gotta be smarter with the trades. Today I woke up a little late, so I ended up missing all of this craziness, which would have been good because, definitely some movement, 30 to 30. Sheesh, 100-point move right here. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, so my first trade wasn't until here. As you can see, $500 loser and then another basically $500 loser off of 4 contracts. So expecting us to have a little VWAP band bounce, but I have 10-point stop losses for these, but I didn't want it to go all the way down and hit that and then just instantly be down the 800 off of rip. So I just kind of closed it early, and what do you know, it came back. It actually hit my profit target that basically hit it for what I was trying to get. So I jumped back in thinking, okay, maybe it was just like a false breakout or whatever, and then it broke down and I was like, golly. So another one, I just cut it a little early, and then from there just kind of like followed the trend because I realized we were gonna start going down, and I sized down too, just because I have a rule set for myself where if I lose 3 in a row, then I'm just done, which is honestly what I should have did. But won this one, came down here, played a bounce off of the little VWAP here. Probably could have let this one run more because, as you see, it actually closed up here. But already off of 2 losing trades, I was like, let me just try to play it safe. Still going with 2 contracts. But yeah, it's once we started getting in this area that things got a little wonky. A little $400 loser. I was cutting my losses early because I was like, man, I already seen that it was going against me. Started catching a couple more. Went back up to 4 contracts. And then, this one went a full 10 points. So I was expecting it to bounce off of the VWAP band, but it was not my friend today. As you can see, we did 56%, which isn't great. I remember on this test account I was looking at around 70% win rate. So this is definitely, today it was just kind of all over the place. And then where I started making the mistake was coming over here and jumping in 10 points. You see, this is 140, so this is a $1,000 loser. I tried to give it a little extra room, thinking that the VWAP band was going to hold, but just wicked past it. This one here basically made it back, and that's usually where it gets to. And I believe right here is where I stopped for a little bit, and I started trading another account. And then once I did that, I doubled back, and I was like, you know what, let me try to work it back. I was getting small gains, and then we had a pretty decent sized loser here. I just wasn't seeing the market too clearly today. This one was, see, a 720 off of 6 out of 10. This one's 345 out of 10. And then took another break, jumped into some of my other accounts, came back. Wish I caught some of this, but I think I was trading one of my other accounts, which we'll get into. $1,200 winner here. So, it was just a matter of just trying to just play too much. I was able to bring it back down, but, as you can see, I basically gave that $1,200 right back with a couple of these trades. So, I already know, just not sizing up. Even if you're in a losing day, it's better to just walk away. Anyways, we'll go on to this one. This one is a brand new 250K account. We are up 14-17. I did this one in a couple of trades, so that's what I ended up just not. Like once I got up, I was like, I'm straight. So I had a $1,200 loser off rip. and then from there 950. This one here, that would be what, 260, that'd be 130, and then times 10, so this is 1300. One of these actually went for a little bit longer. Yeah, so in a matter of a couple of trades, look at that, 1600, probably more, honestly. And then 422, 220, 2000 off of this, and 650. So yeah, this one was just these trades right here, and then I was like, you know what, I'm up 1400, let me not risk it. Jumped into my 50k, and here this one was kind of wild. Everything was kind of just going against me, you know, buying against the grain, you know, top of the range, just kind of jumping around. This one here I lost 41%. It was actually down a good amount, so this one I was going in with 2 contracts. Left it, came back, and then towards the end I was able to win a couple of trades that kind of just brought it back a little bit. So this one ended up down 1015. I think it was far down as like, I don't know, a decent little amount, but we were able to work it back. And then the last one is a 150k. We're up 665. Again, this is another one. Just caught a couple of good trades, you know. Made it 520, went negative. Took a couple more, made it back 100 there. That one is 320, and this one 160 and 160. Oh, that's 2. This is 160 on there, and then this one is only 2, so that would be 320. So again, this one here, quick, straight to the point. You know, I probably should have aimed for more, but I'd rather, you know, secure it. That's what I wish I did with this one, because you see, after I did that, I came back over here and I worked it down. I think I got it down to like 2,000 or something. But you know, when you're rocking with 10 contracts, you're risking a lot at that point. I think over here with the 50k, yeah, I was grabbing some at the end, but you know, it's all right. It was shaking off the rust. I woke up kind of late today. And by the way, if you guys don't know, I am streaming every day from now on. Get somewhere on like 12 to 1 o'clock. So if you guys aren't doing anything at that time, definitely tune in and have some conversations. You know, I'm kind of walking you down on all of my game plans. This is posted on this channel, Trades by Dom. Also, if you guys are looking for any new test accounts for Apex evals, then I have a link and a code down in the description. Make sure you guys use that. That'll give you the best deal always. No matter what Apex's deal is going on, you'll always get the best deal. And their current deal right now is 80% off of all accounts. The 250, the 150, and the 300k are all the same price as the 50k. So that's $40 on Trade of 8, and obviously less if you're on Rhythmic. And then if you pass the account, you actually get $85 lifetime fee, which is actually what I did with this account here. This one was $85, and that lasts for 10 years, and after that it's like a penny a month or something. So definitely try to take advantage of that. Make sure you guys stop in for the stream. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave me any comments. Let me know if you guys have any strategies or methods that you guys are doing, and you know, let's talk trading, man. Let's try to get to this payout. We are on our way to the payout. But appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow.